You'll get an email from DigitalOcean about the droplet and login information. It lists the IP address, a username root, and an initial password to log into the server. Now open PuTTY, the SSH client, and copy the VPS IP address and paste it into PuTTY. Give the session a name that is useful and click Save. Now click Open and click Yes to confirm the SSH encryption key. Log in as root . Now highlight and copy the initial password, then right-click to paste the password into PuTTY and press Enter. It will then ask for the initial password and current password again. Right-click again and enter a new password you want to use to access the VPS and press Enter. Then re-enter the password and press Enter. Now you will be logged into the VPS. You can see from the console command line you are logged in as root. Now type clear to reset the terminal.